Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting a Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, Accenture to cut 19,000 jobs as IT spending slows. Next, FinMin asks government banks to share bond portfolio data. Next, rupee gains sharply versus dollar has fed softened view on rate hike. Next, India's external situation quite stable, says Nageshwaran. Next, Bank of England lift rate says inflation remains a risky for UK. Next, Rahul Gandhi gets 2 year jail term in Modi surname case. Next, SEBI board to approve new ESG framework. Next, relieving the lockdown 3 years later. Next, HAL OFS subscribe to multiply shares fall almost 5%. Next, Lok Sabha passes rupees 45 trillion budget without debate. Next, Tata likely to pump $2 billion into super app. Next, Chinese firms may need majority Indian partner to set up plants. On page number 2 in companies section of that, ONDC forays into mobility segment takes on Uber Ola. Next, family feud reaches court over control of Hikal. Next, Fetch affirms Adani Ports rating at BBB. Outlook stable. Next, fresh EOL asset dividend into 5 clusters as FRL fails to attract bids. Next, Go First penalized for violation receives 2 hour operation ban. Next, Airport Metro Arbitral Award BMRC SIC review of High Court verdict. Next, ahead of IPL, Geo brings 3G day data plans. Next, Geo 5G plan may hit ATL scheme metrics. Next, Reliance begins price war in home and personal care space. Next, ITC readies shield for hot summer. Next, Foxconn deal, Karnataka labor laws in focus. Tamil Nadu may follow. On page number 5, in companies section under that, Maruti to rise prices in April amid input cost rise. Next, Mercedes-Benz plan to launch 4 EVs in India in 8 to 12 months. Next, Ashok Leyland medium and heavy CV sales up 91% in FY23. Next, DB Power buys GIP stake, repays rupees 500 crore loan. Next, L&T signs pact with France's MCFE for electrolyzer tech. On page number 6 in economy section that RBI to hold 5 day variable rate repo auction today. Next, FSIB recommends Mohanty for LIC chairperson's position. Next, 349 samples of infectious new variant XBB 1.16 found. Next, panel recommends new law to define functions of CBI. Next, ICRA upgrades outlook on infra finance firms to positive. Next, Sanjay Nair quit board on of Increed financial services. Next, UK will step up security at High Indian High Commission. Next, rupees 700 crore corpus available to fund startup Codot. Next, neighbors allies to get access to India's 5G test bed. Next, to join trade pillar or not. Final call soon. Next, World Bank chief nominee Banga on second day India visit. Next, India pitches for upgrade in ratings at Fitch meeting. Next, CEPA review to focus on data sharing. Next, FY24 urea imports may dig by 33%. On page number 18, economy section that rupees gains sharply versus dollar has fed soften views on rate hikes. Next, India's external situation stable. CEA. Next, only 15 to 20% of ATMs dispense rupees 2000 notes. Next, Lok Sabha okays rupees 45 trillion budget without debate. Next, Kerala, Bengal among 9 states to withdraw consent to CBI. Next, no GST exemption against supply of services to EOU. On page number 9, in politics section that Rahul gets 2 year jail term for Modi surname remark. Next, data pattern develops equipment to check BrahMos missile functions. On page number 10, in world section of that, facilitated fraud, Indelbert shorts Dorsey's payments firm. Next, TikTok CEO reboots Chinese spy charge at Congress grilling. Next, world's first 3D printed rocket launched, failed to reach orbit. Next, Toshiba board accepted $50 billion buyout proposal. Next, returns show Sunak made European 1 million outside politics. Next, Ford EV unit losing billions should be seen as startup. Next, man UTD suitors granted last minute bids extension. Next, US business tourist visa holders can apply for jobs. Next, Indeed cuts 2,200 positions. Next, BOE rates rises rate, says inflation still risk for UK. Next, Swiss regulator defends action to avoid disaster. Next, not a credit crisis, say Citigroup CEO. Next, Google employees write open letter to Pichai on layoff. Next, Sanofi drug to treat smokers lung clears trial. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.